Hello, everyone. I'm your host, Tammeron, an alchemist and a shamanic storyteller. In today's little video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Labrador tea. This is my little magical recipe that I'm going to share with you. It's very easy to make. I'm going to put it down so I don't spill it and drop it. And the reason why it's so easy is because it's free. It's free here in Northern Ontario. So it grows. Many people think it's a weed. However, one of my neighbors mentioned to me one day that it was a tea leaf. And so I ran and went online. I did my research, and then I pulled out all my little books on herbology and native Canadian plants from when I studied. And ta-da, I was all excited because what I found is that the local natives have used this since the beginning of time here in Northern Ontario and other parts of the world to use to really help to boost your immune system. It has many medicinal properties, which I will be listing below, and also how to use it and how to make it. So all you need is to go out, whether you purchase them somewhere online, and my link will be below on my Amazon business link by the time you're watching this video, or also if you know someone that lives in a region such as here in Northern Ontario, I'm going to pull it up close at the beginning for you. The front, it has a green leaf on the outside, and on the back, it's got this gold color, and it's got a little bit of a clayish red tone to it. Now, with this, is you take about 4 to 5, maybe 5 to 6 fresh leaves. And what I like to do is I like to break it open, right? And you can smell the essence, the floral essence of it. So I break it open a little bit, I break the leaves, and I add it into 1.5 cups of fresh water. If you want to use pure spring water, that's fantastic if you can. And then I bring it to a boil. It only takes a couple of minutes. And then I turn it down to low and I let it simmer for about 20 minutes and allow it to cool off a little bit. If you'd like to do this cycle twice, you can. So I recommend you let it cool off for about half an hour. Then again, you bring it to a boil and you let it simmer for about 20 minutes. You can do it up to 2 times, they recommend. And then what you want to do is you want to strain it through a strainer, allow it to capture in a glass or a mug. And I like to use fresh squeezed lemon or lime juice. This is both of mine combined together. I had a fresh lemon and a fresh lime. So I'm using it at all my drinks this week. So I've got it ready to go in my fridge. Plus, I've added a couple of drops of doTerra wild orange essential oil. It's a CPTG grade, so it's a very high grade. And that's to help. It's to help for flavor, and also with orange, it's going to help boost my immune system because I've got the lemon and the lime in here too, which is also what Labrador tea leaves does. It helps to enhance your immune system. And I have found at my local health food store some raw honey, and I like to use this as well, about half a teaspoon, and I mix it all together. And this is the magic that is created in my cup, and it's great warm. It's also nice as an iced tea in the summertime, especially if you got a cold coming on or any type of congestion happening. It is an amazing natural remedy. If you've been using Labrador tea, I'd love for you to share where you learned about it in the comments below. And also, if you'd like me to share the recipe, if you're watching this video, please post a comment below and we will share with you the link on where you can get the recipe. It will be listed on social media many times throughout the year because this is a tea that is free. Like I say, it's natural. It grows in my local community and it's so good. It tastes fantastic and it's so easy to make. So thank you for listening. Post any questions or comments you have, and I look forward to seeing you on another video in the future. Cheers for now, everyone. Bye-bye.